Do you want to make money through exportation and importation of agricultural products? Watch this video now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. Oh, thank you so much. This encourages me to keep giving out valuable content. Yes, it encourages me to keep releasing videos that will transform lives. Thank you so much. Thank you for always liking my video. Thank you for always sharing my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being my support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now today we are considering something very, very important, very educative. This is a life transforming information. You need to know this. Yes, you need to know this. We are in a time in which you just need to think of ways to make money. After the COVID-19 pandemic, various countries of the world really had down and negative effects on their economy. Citizens of various countries have to struggle, do extra things to make income, to make more money, because cost of living keeps increasing every day. Yes, cost of living keeps increasing, and most times people into salary jobs, salaries are not increasing. So you need to find something to support the money you gain, or you get rather, from your business, from your salary job. So that is why this video is very, very important. This video is going to be focusing on agricultural exports and import product of Canada. And you see why this video is very important is because you might be thinking, oh, I'm not in Canada, I'm not traveling to Canada, I can't go to Canada, the place is too cold. No, that's not what you should just conclude on. You should not just conclude like that. You don't have to be in Canada to make money from Canada. You can be right in Africa or right in any country of the world, be it anywhere. You can be anywhere and make money from another country. Yes, and that is why you need to learn. You need to know the things in which Canada demands for. That is, they demand this thing from other countries. That they know that in their country they cannot produce this thing. This thing cannot be made in their country. Then they have to buy them from another country who is very rich in producing such products. That is what importation is. Importation is about you buying something from another country and bringing it into your own country. You are importing it. But when you are sending something out of your own country to another country, that is what exportation is. Yes, you have learned now. You have learned the meaning of export and import. Yes. So, but before you can say you want to go into such thing, you need to know the things that are needed in that country, or the things you have in your own country that are needed in another country. So now we are focusing on Canada. What are the things Canada needs that they are buying from another country, and what are the things they have that they are sending out? See, for the things they are bringing in, if it's something you produce in your own country, you can also start such thing. You can go into farming of such agricultural produce and then sell to people in Canada. That is, you export to them. Or you can also be a middleman to meet farmers, gather these things and export to Canada. Or for the exportation part, you can stand as a middleman, because Canada wants to export this to another country. You can look for countries who need what Canada has and stand as a middleman to send to them. Or be it your own country, you can connect with producers in Canada and ask them to send to you, and then you sell. Yes, you sell to companies, organizations, or individuals who need that product. Can you see now that there are a lot of opportunities for you to tap into when it comes to export and import? All you need to do is to look for a strategic point between the chain and fitting your own self into these things. gain knowledge on this area, and then get necessary certifications needed, and then fit in. Tap into that area, tap into that sector. You need to be smart about making investment decisions. So in this video, I'm going to be educating you on the various products that Canada produces and sends out, and the various products they buy from other countries. First, we are going to talk about the export products, and then next, at the later part of the video, you will know the import products. Let's go. Top 5 agricultural export products of Canada. 1. Wheat. Canada is one of the largest wheat producers in the world, and wheat is one of its top agricultural export products. It is primarily exported to countries like the United States, Japan, and Mexico. 2. Canola. Canada is the largest producer and exporter of canola, which is used for cooking oil, animal feed, and biodiesel production. Major export destinations for Canadian canola include China, the United States, and Mexico. 3. Beef. Canada is known for its high-quality beef, and it is a significant agricultural export product. The country exports beef to various countries including the United States, Japan, and Mexico. 4. Pork. Canada is also a major exporter of pork. With its high quality and safe production practices, the primary export market for Canadian pork include the United States, Japan, and China. Soybeans. Canada is a significant exporter of soybeans, primarily to countries like China, United States, and Japan. Soybeans are used for various purposes, including animal feed, cooking oil, and food products. Now, we will see the top agricultural import products of Canada. 1. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Canada imports a significant amount of fresh fruits and vegetables, including bananas, avocados, tomatoes, citrus fruits, and berries. These imports help meet the demand for year-round availability of produce. 2. Dairy products. Canada imports various dairy products such as cheese, butter, and yogurt. This is due to the high demand for dairy products in the country, which cannot be fully met by domestic production. 3. Meat products. Canada imports a significant amount of meat products, including beef, pork, and poultry. This is primarily to meet the demand for significant different cuts and types of meats, as well as to supplement domestic production during periods of high demand. 4. Grains and oilseeds. Canada imports a considerable amount of grains and oilseeds, including wheat, corn, soybeans, and canola. These imports are used for various purposes, such as animal feed, food processing, and oil production. 5. Coffee and tea. Canada imports a substantial amount of coffee and tea to meet the demand for these beverages. The country imports coffee beans from various countries, including Brazil, Colombia, and Ethiopia, while tea is imported from countries like China, India, and Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoyed this video and also learned from it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, thank you for watching.